All right, let's talk about a phone that's been making some serious waves in the tech community lately, the Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra. From the moment I picked this device up, I could tell Asus wasn't playing around. It's got that solid, premium feel, weighing just 220 grams, which is impressively light considering the 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. This thing is a beast on paper, but more importantly, it's a beast in your hand. And trust me, whether you're scrolling social media, gaming, or just binge-watching videos, that display makes everything look absolutely stunning. Before we dive deeper, if you love these kinds of in-depth hands-on reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button so you don't miss anything I drop on this channel. Now, starting with the display itself, Asus really went all out. We're looking at a 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, an insane peak brightness of 2,500 nits. That's right, peak brightness. Outdoor visibility is flawless, and motion on the screen is buttery smooth. I mean, scrolling through apps, playing fast-paced games, or just watching a YouTube video, everything feels ultra-responsive. The colors are vivid but not oversaturated, and I noticed the deep blacks thanks to that AMOLED technology. And don't get me started on Gorilla Glass Victus 2. You're getting some serious durability here, which is something I always worry about with phones this sleek. Performance-wise, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which in my tests handled everything I threw at it without breaking a sweat. Multitasking, high-end gaming, heavy apps, you name it, this phone just handles it all. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, load times are fast, switching between apps is seamless, and gaming performance is rock solid. I tried running some of the most demanding titles available, and the frame rate stayed steady, no lag, no overheating issues, which is impressive given the slim 8.9mm body. Let's talk cameras because, honestly, this is where the Zenfone 12 Ultra shines. The triple camera setup is versatile and genuinely exciting for anyone who loves mobile photography. The 50MP main camera with gimbal OIS captures super sharp and stable shots, even in low light, while the 32MP telephoto lens offers true 3x optical zoom, perfect for distant shots without losing quality. And then there's the ultra-wide 13MP camera, giving you a full 120-degree view. I've been testing these cameras for the past week, and the results are consistently impressive. Colors are accurate, detail is preserved, and dynamic range is excellent. Video shooters will appreciate the 8K recording option and the variety of frame rates, from 24 frames per second up to 240 frames per second slow motion, all stabilized by EuroIS. Battery life is another area where this phone stands out. The 5,500 mAh battery comfortably lasted me through a full day of heavy use. And even after pushing hard with gaming and video playback, I still had some juice left by the end of the night. But here's the kicker. 65W wired charging can bring this battery to 100% in just 39 minutes. That's crazy fast. There's also 15W wireless charging and even 10W reverse wired charging, so you can top up other devices in a pinch. For a power user, this is a huge win. Audio enthusiasts aren't left out either. The Zenfone 12 Ultra comes with stereo speakers that get impressively loud without distortion, and for anyone still rocking wired headphones, the 3.5mm jack is there, along with 32-bit high-res audio support. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, the sound quality is immersive and detailed. And the connectivity options are comprehensive. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and all the major satellite positioning systems for precise GPS. On the software front, it runs Android 15 with an upgrade path to Android 16, promising at least 2 major Android updates. Asus has done a good job keeping the UI clean, fast, and intuitive. It doesn't feel bloated or heavy, and I like the little tweaks they've included for productivity and gaming. Fingerprint recognition under the display is fast and reliable. And the phone also has a suite of sensors like accelerometer, gyro, and compass, making it more than just a communication device. It's a full tech companion. Design-wise, it's sleek and premium, With Gorilla Glass front and back, an aluminum frame, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. That's always reassuring when you're investing over €1,000 into a phone. It comes in 3 color options: ebony black, sakura white, and sage green, so you can pick one that fits your style. The ergonomics are surprisingly good for a 6.78-inch device. It's slim but feels balanced in the hand. Before we move on, I want to drop another quick reminder. If you're enjoying this breakdown and want more hands-on tech reviews like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps me keep bringing you these detailed insights. Overall, the Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra is an impressive package. It excels in display quality, performance, camera versatility, battery endurance, and build quality. Sure, it's a premium phone at around €1,100, but for what you're getting, it feels worth every cent. I was genuinely impressed by how Asus managed to pack this much performance and features into a slim, stylish body. It's a phone for power users, gamers, photography enthusiasts, and anyone who appreciates a flagship experience without compromise. To wrap up, if you're looking for a device that doesn't just check boxes but actually excels across the board, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is absolutely worth considering. From the buttery smooth 144Hz AMOLED display to the powerhouse Snapdragon 8 Elite and the versatile camera setup, this phone is ready to compete with any other flagship out there. And the battery and charging speed? That's the cherry on top. If you're in the market for a premium Android phone in 2025, this one should be high on your list. So, if you found this review helpful and detailed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned because we've got more in-depth reviews, hands-on tests, and tech breakdowns coming your way. The Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra might just be your next tech obsession.